Hello, welcome again, and this is a Hisabati Masterclass A level, and today I have got two questions. So we'll start with the number one. So we start with the question number one. It says integrate t power negative 3 minus 2t power 4 plus 7 over t plus 1 dt. So as I explained in my first video, introduction video of integration, the general formula which we discussed was x power n dx equals to x power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, and n must not be equal to -1. But what we need to understand is that this formula varies depending on the variable of the integrand. For example, in our question, the variable in the integrand is t. So we are going to rewrite this formula from variable x to variable t. So replace variable x with t. So in your mind, you will know that my integral now will be t power n dt equals to t power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So please keep that in your mind. You have to know that the formula will change depending on the integrand. So let me wrap this. Now let's get back to the question. So as we discussed the properties, you can integrate each term independently, and whenever there is product of constant and a function, you can factor the constant. So you can say this is integral of t power negative 3 dt minus 2 integral of t power 4 dt plus 7 integral of 1 over t dt plus integral of dt, because 1 times dt is dt. So then for the first part, you will have, if you use our formula, or let me write it here, integral of t power n dt, we have t power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, but we're not going to add c at any part of the integration. We'll add it at the last part of the integration. So for the first one, we will have t negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1. For the second one, we have t 2 power 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. For the third one, now we are not going to use this general formula. Why? Because we see power of n. If you take t at the top, you have t power negative 1 and n equals to -1. So the formula does not allow to integrate when n is -1, but we know that one is direct substitution. If you integrate 1 over x dx, in our standard integral, the one is natural log of absolute x plus c. So here we're going to have natural log of what? Of t, because variable is t. Then plus integral of dt, we know the answer is t. Then plus constant. So you're going to write now the final part. You will say this is integral of t power negative 3 minus 2t power 4 plus 7 over t plus 1 dt equals to, so this is minus t power negative 2 over 2 plus 7 natural log of t plus t plus c, and that marks the end of your integration. Now let's go back to our question. So let's get to question number 2. So question number 2, it requires you to integrate 1 minus x power 3 over square root of x dx. Now if you look at this question, you may say it is complicated, but that is not true. The question is very, very simple. What you are supposed to do is to remember the nature of the integrand. Our integrand is integral of x power n dx. So what you are going to do, just express this integrand to look like the general formula of the integration. So what can you do? To me, I can say expand the function at the top, because we need to separate each term to stand alone. So we are going to to expand the part of the numerator. So you'll have 1 minus x, you can say x square times 1, sorry, this is not x square, it is 1 minus x times 1 minus x times 1 minus x, so like that, over square root of x dx. So our task is to simplify the integrand so that you have each term alone. So expand there, you have 1 minus 2x plus x square times 1 minus x dx. There you have square root of x. Then you'll have 1 minus x if you multiply. So then we have minus 2x plus 2x square plus x square minus x cubed over square root of x dx. Then combine common terms. So we start with minus x cubed, then plus 3x square, then minus 3x plus 1 over x, square root of x is the same as x power a half. Then we will simplify, so we'll have x cubed over x power a half plus 3x square over x power a half minus 3x over x power a half plus 1 over x power a half dx. So there, then you have minus x, so 3 minus a half. So you have the same, you are dividing quantities having the same base, so we are going to subtract the exponents. So it will be 5 over 2 plus, this one is 3, so we have okay, here you're going to have plus 3x, you will have 3 over 2 minus 3x, we will have a half. So this one will be x per negative a half. Write the negative exponent of that one. So now you see each term is standing alone. Now you can use general formula of integration. So for the first one, you have minus x, 5 over 2 plus 1, so that one will be 7 over 2 over 7 over 2 plus 3x, 3 over 2 plus 1, so that one will be 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 minus 3x, a half plus 1, that one will be 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus x, negative a half plus 1, that one is a half over a half, then plus what? C. So thereafter you simplify, so it will be minus 2 over 7 x power 7 over 2 plus 6 over 5 x power 5 over 2 minus 2, so x power 3 over 2 plus 2 x power a half plus c, and that one will mark the end of our question. So that's how we are supposed to do this question. Thank you very much, and this is a Sabati Masterclass A level. Welcome if it's your first time to watch our videos and our channel. Please remember to subscribe, share and comment, and invite other friends to, so that we can learn together. Thank you. This is your tutor, Mr. Augustine Mwalimu Kamima.